Hello everyone, welcome back to another video talking geeky stuff unboxing, and today's unboxing is Huawei GT5 watch, and it came with a free Huawei FreeBuds 5i. Yeah, so I've got this on the official website, so you can just go in and just Google it and you come to the official website. This one is $249.99, and it came with this. I had this about a day ago, a couple of days, but I've been pretty busy with some personal issues and just finally got some time to unbox it. But before I unbox, I just want to say thank you everyone, because if you follow my channel or my videos, I did say that I got two targets. One is 500 subscribers by the end of September, which I have. I'm currently on 501, so it's pretty cool, and today's date is 24th of September. My next target is a stretch target, is 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So do me a favor, if you like, please like, subscribe if you can. That'd be welcome, appreciated, and thank you very much. Alright, let's get back to this. Let's put this aside here and let's do it. So I decided to get this one because it's actually 40, the bigger size. Introduction, you see I post the specs. What you do, just pause it and you can see the specs. There's three colors. There's the black one, the kind of brownish one, and there's the blue one. It's very similar to the last generation, and if you follow my video, I got the last generation I got was 4 months ago. It's a green one. So this is a bit more expensive, the black one, and it's $229.99. But black, they all look kind of same, so I decided to go for this one. Alright then. It's nice. Not too heavy, not too light, nice weight to it. Just going to put that in here so I can stand it up like this. Okay, makes no difference. What's inside? Probably the usual stuff. You see my other unboxing. Okay, so this one's power. Seems like you've got the icon there. Yes, it is. The cable. Usual cable. Okay. What apparently was so good about this one is they got something called True Sense, so it senses your vitals much more accurately. Not that I care too much, because like I said in my other videos, I don't really do much. The only thing I really track is my walking, and that's about it really. Okay, so paperwork in here, so nothing too special. I just wanted to get a watch for a watch, and I really can't stand those square watches. I just prefer the round that looks like classic. This is the same material as the first one. I can't remember life of me what it's called. I think it's stainless steel. So identity looks pretty. I think it looks identical to the old one. Stay tuned. I have a little kind of side by side later on in the video. But it feels great. It's got the same material. I think this is recycled, but just the same as my green, but in blue. Yeah, and you can see the faded, really nice. I've always liked, and you know what? I'm going to tell you now. My Huawei watch lasts me. I think I can easily get 14 days, 2 weeks. It's no joke, because like I said, if you put all the sensors on and always on display, yeah, you probably get 10, 11, maybe 12 days if you push it. But I literally got 14, sometimes even 15 days, because like I said, all I do is just track my walking. I don't even switch anything on, just have always on, mid bright, and I got 14 days. Sometimes I even think I got 15 days out of it. So battery life, this is definitely up there. All right then, put that aside. Let's have a quick unboxing of these earbuds. I'm getting so much earbuds. I'm going to have to do a video. I keep on saying this. I probably will do a video of all the earbuds I've collected, either purchased or got for free. There you go, pretty nice. I decided there was 3 colors, I think: black, white, and oops, this blue one. It's like an egg. It won't come out. Speaking of egg, it kind of reminds me of the Sun Wukong game. You know, it came from the egg, well, a rock egg. Okay, so you got usual charging, paperwork, nothing special. Oh, it's nice. It's got a nice kind of stone feel to it. It's really nice. It's not like the others. It's really nice. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is more your kind of Yeah, standard. But I do like the casing. It's got a nice texture. Not even texture, smooth. Man, it feels good. Inside here, usual. This is more the different size buds. And the cable. Yep, there you go. Nothing special. Well, this is actually $89.99 if I remember correctly. They came free with it, so it feels great. Let's put this over here. Well, it looks a bit of a mess on my table, but you know what? Let me get this set up and I'll be back in say an hour and have a quick overview. Until then, as Floss says, speak among yourselves. See you guys and girls. Welcome back. Yeah, so I finally set it up. This is actually pretty quick, unlike last time, because I'm kind of used to it. So first I want to say that if you might have heard some sound whooshing in the background. I kind of forgot. I don't know how I forgot. It's just, when I get new tech, my mind just switches off. I had the air purifier on, so I was whizzing around in the background, so you might hear that, so apologies for that. Alright then, so back to this. It's pretty straightforward. You need to do is, of course, you need to download the App Store or App Gallery from Huawei. So you can, when you set this up, it comes with I got a nice panda, see that? Little animation as well. So when you set this up, it has a QR code, you scan it, it takes you there. But before you actually download the app, you have to download this store, and then it takes you into the Huawei app. And then once you get into the App Store or the App Gallery, sorry, then you download that, and once you download that, you sync it, and then it goes on the actual displays. It tells you the watch's name. I love this. This is pretty cool little animation. It tells you the watch's name and you sync it up. If you watch my first video with the first Huawei GT4, it's the same thing. You got all the little things in. It goes health, all your standard stuff here. Your exercise, same thing. Your device. You got the watch face and how much battery life. You have to go that. If you just click or press that, you've got more settings. I kind of didn't really set much up because, like I said, you've got loads of settings here. Device settings here, of course. I mentioned I just get watches like this just for watches to kind of keep myself. Sometimes if I'm having a bad night or a bad week, I want to monitor my sleep and use it then. I don't really switch on the True Sense. This is meant to have really good True Sense. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there where they invited some of these YouTubers to go to Huawei's headquarters when I had a big kind of hall where they did all the tracking from ping pong to golf to running, and it meant, just to prove that it's much more accurate. Yeah, so that's about it. Not much, like I said. I switch off. I just want to watch. Apart from my maybe step track, but then again, I got a cool app in here that does my steps already. So like I said, I just need a watch, and I'm greedy because I like to have more than one watch. It's my 7th one now. Yeah, so I chose this one. This is pretty cool. This is the animation. I love it. It's so cool. So I had it on always display, and whenever you raise, you see the animation like that. Oops, sorry about that. My chair is still squeaky. So this is the old one. You can see it's very similar. It probably is the same size. This one I found a little bit more heavier and a little bit more thicker because if you look at the back, you see slightly different sensors. This one kind of bulges out a little bit more. Whoops, you can see that. This one slightly bulges out a bit more. Probably got a better sensor, hence the True Sense. Let's go through this. So usual things, you press this here. You can see the whole kind of app draw. I love the animation. You can actually zoom in, zoom out, kind of keep it like that. So you go into settings here, you can see all the usual. It's really smooth. I like it. It's really smooth. You double tap this, go back. This is pretty cool. You go back. This is all your kind of apps that you've been using, almost like your phone or your tablet. You have all the apps, and you can just bin the one you don't want. For example, this one. Yeah, see, you bin them more. You just got that. The bottom one is you go into your health. To be fair, I maybe need to start trying to keep track on this, but I'm just too lazy. Like I said, I just do my step count, and this one actually connects to the step count app, so it gives me that. I just can't be bothered. Just like I said, I get a watch to get a watch, and all these, and by not switching them on, you get way longer battery life. So you got, look at it, it's got so much cool stuff. They've added a lot more. Look at that. Amazing. Animation is so cool, it's so smooth. Look at that. Got so much more. So I can't really check how good the true sense is, because like my other one, GT4, I never switched it on, so I couldn't really have a comparison, compare how good, how much better the Senses is. But anyway, I like it. I like the new design. Slightly, you know, the kind of faded in this side. When you look at the green one, the faded is at the top half. Yeah, so kind of like a crescent. Where the new one, the fade is kind of like on the, kind of like that side. And I love this Panda, I love it. So yeah, I'm going to charge it up and I see if it gets as good as the GT4. If it's as good as GT4, 12 to 14 days, brilliant. And I'm going to test it, because I'm going to take this on holiday with me. Next month I'm going to Hangzhou, China for 11 days. And yeah, please check that out. I'm going to do some video logs. Please check them out. And I'm going to take this fully charged, no charge with me, and see if this actually lasts a whole holiday. Anyway, stay tuned to that. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you for those who subscribe. I hit my first target, 500 by end of September. So really, really appreciate it, and thank you all. Please help me with my extended or stretch target, 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Much appreciated, and thank you very much. Okay then, until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Just one more go. So cute. Anyway, see you later. Goodbye.